Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman, I'm Max. And with me here is the always amazing Zoe.
Hello, everyone. So good to see you again. Grab your tea, your notebook, or just your smile, because today's topic is so real.
You know that awful silence when you understand every single word in English, but your brain just freezes when you try to reply?
Oh, yes. You're like, wait, I know what they said, but my mouth? It's on vacation.
Exactly. You can understand movies, YouTube videos, songs, and even jokes. But when it's your turn to speak, suddenly, nothing.
That moment is painful. You want to talk. You have the words in your brain, but they just won't come out.
Don't worry. You're not alone, and it's not your fault.
Today, we'll fix that together.
By the end of this episode, you'll understand exactly why this happens and how to break the silent wall, step by step.
So, let's warm up your English voice, because it's time to talk.
Okay, before we dive in, this problem is one of the most common things we hear from learners.
Yes, literally every week someone tells us, I can understand everything, but I just can't speak.
You're not broken. You're just stuck between two parts of learning, understanding, and using.
And today, we'll build a bridge between those two.
We'll show you 5 big reasons this happens and how to fix each one. Plus, a fun practice you can do anywhere.
You'll laugh, you'll repeat, and you'll speak more naturally by the end.
Ready? Let's go.
So, why can you understand English but not speak it?
Because understanding is passive, speaking is active.
When you understand, you just listen and recognize. But when you speak, you must build a sentence in real time.
It's like seeing someone ride a bike and saying, "Oh, easy," until you try to pedal and fall in 3 seconds.
Exactly. So your brain knows the patterns, but your mouth hasn't practiced the movement.
Speaking English is a muscle skill. You can't think your way into fluency. You must speak your way there.
So let's train that muscle. One problem at a time. Many learners only watch, read, or listen. That's all input.
Right? It's like watching cooking videos but never using the kitchen.
So when it's time to cook, to speak, you freeze.
The fix? Turn passive learning into active learning.
When you watch a video, don't just listen. Repeat.
That's called shadowing. You copy what you hear almost at the same time.
For example, if you hear, what are you doing? You say, what are you doing? Right after.
You don't need to understand 100%. You're training rhythm, sound, and memory.
Let's try one together. Say it with me. How's it going?
Good. Again, faster. How's it going?
Nice. That's shadowing. Small, powerful, and fun.
And you can do it with anything, a podcast, a show, or even this episode.
Ah, yes, the monster in the room. Fear.
Fear of sounding silly, fear of being judged.
You know, I once had a student who didn't speak for 6 months. Not one word. She was scared people would laugh.
What happened?
One day she said, I'm sorry, I was scared. That was her first English sentence. After that, she never stopped talking.
Wow, that's so powerful. Silence doesn't mean you're bad at English. It just means you're waiting too long to try.
Exactly. And waiting never makes you ready. Speaking does.
Repeat this with me. I'm learning. It's okay to make mistakes.
Again, louder. It's okay to make mistakes.
That's it. Confidence first, grammar later.
You can't learn to swim by worrying about drowning. You learn by getting wet.
True. English is the same. Jump in.
Another big one. You think in your native language first, then translate.
That's like trying to run while holding a dictionary in your head.
Exactly. It slows you down.
So, the fix? Think in simple English.
Start small. Instead of, I need to go to the store to buy some bread, think, go store. Buy bread,
It sounds funny, but it trains your brain to form ideas directly in English.
then later, your sentences will naturally grow. I'm going to the store to buy bread.
This is how kids learn too. Small ideas first, grammar later.
And bonus tip, describe your world in English.
Yes. Look around you now. What do you see? Laptop, table, water bottle. Say them out loud.
That's how your thinking slowly becomes English thinking.
Here's a secret fluent speakers use. They don't create every sentence from scratch.
Yes, we use chunks, ready made phrases we don't even think about.
For example, I see what you mean. That's a good point. Let me think.
These are like Lego blocks. You connect them quickly to build conversation.
Let's try a few together. That's interesting. I didn't catch that. You're right. No worries.
Perfect. If you learn 100 of these, you'll never feel speechless again.
Because you'll always have something ready to say.
Wait, what if I told you that you can practice speaking even without a partner?
You might think speaking alone is weird, but it's actually how many fluent speakers started.
Yep, it's the secret technique almost no one talks about.
And we're about to show you how to do it. Anytime, anywhere. Don't miss this part. Be attentive. All right, the secret speaking method, talking to yourself.
I know it sounds silly, but trust me, it's magic.
You can do it in your room, in your car, in the shower, even while brushing your teeth.
Just describe what you're doing. I'm washing my hands. I'm getting ready for work. I'm watching Max and Lily.
Yes, that's it. You're connecting English to your daily life.
If your family sees you talking to yourself, just say, I'm not crazy. I'm becoming fluent.
And if they still look confused, say, you'll thank me when I'm bilingual.
This exercise builds confidence and rhythm.
And guess what? It's how actors, presenters, even teachers practice.
Let's try it now. Look around and name 5 things you see in English. Ready? Go.
Nice. You just spoke English, with no fear, no judgment.
And here's a challenge. Every day, talk for 1 minute about your day. Record it on your phone.
Then listen. You'll hear your progress every week.
It's like your own mini English diary in your voice.
All right, time for your first real life English mission.
Imagine this. You walk into a cafe and the barista smiles and says, "Hi there. What can I get you?"
What do you say?
Let's practice. You're the customer. I'm the barista. "Hi. What can I get you today?" You could say, "Hi, can I have a coffee, please?"
Barista says, sure. Anything else?
You, "No, that's all. Thank you."
And when you get your drink, thanks a lot.
See? 4 lines. Simple, polite, confident.
Now, repeat the whole conversation with us. Ready?
Nice work. You just survived your first English cafe scene.
Next time someone says, hi, what can I get you? You'll know exactly what to say.
Let's pause for a second. Why does all this matter?
Because understanding English means your brain already knows it. You just need to trust your voice to use it.
If you only remember one thing, your English voice is already inside you. You're just giving it permission to come out.
Love that. Okay, let's review what we learned today.
Number 1, understanding is passive, speaking is active.
Number 2, don't fear mistakes. They are part of learning.
Number 3, stop translating. Think in English.
Number 4, use ready-made phrases.
Number 5, talk to yourself. Practice every day.
And remember, fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about being brave.
Exactly. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start now. That's how you get ready.
All right, secret bonus time.
This is something fluent speakers do all the time, but they don't even realize it.
When you learn new words, don't learn them alone.
Always learn them in a sentence.
So instead of memorizing beautiful, say, the weather is beautiful.
That's how your brain connects the word to real life.
And when you speak, the sentence will come out naturally.
That's how you stop sounding like a textbook and start sounding human. So, if you understand but can't speak, don't panic. You're not failing. You're just not practicing the right way yet.
You've already done the hard part. You understand. Now it's time to use that knowledge,
Speak out loud, even if it's just to your mirror, your cat, or your coffee cup.
especially the coffee cup. It never judges.
Tell us in the comments, what sentence will you say in English today?
We'd love to read your answers and cheer you on.
And if you enjoyed this, share it with a friend who's too shy to speak English.
Next time, we'll show you how to start a conversation naturally, even with strangers.
That one's going to be fun. You don't want to miss it.
Until then, keep learning, keep laughing, and keep speaking English. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome content and topics we're working on. Bye, everyone.